Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to join Google Classroom in your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile, I just opened Google Classroom application over here. So this is my Google Classroom application. There will be a plus button over here in your downside. You can join a course and create a class over here. So this is an old classroom which you joined before that, or you can create your own classroom. So this is the model of the Google Classroom. So just click the plus button in your mobile phone. You can see the join class and create a class. So for example, I just click here for the join class. You can able to see the class code. For example, your teacher may conduct your class codes will be there, so you can check that class code and you can enter. For example, if you have your school ID, so you need to switch into your account from your school ID. So just click here for the switch account. You can choose your different account in your Google form and you can join the class. So simply you can give the ID numbers and what are the numbers which is given for the 6-digit number, and you can click here for the join button so to join the classes. So simple and easiest way. Otherwise you can have the class link will be there, so from your teacher you can get the link. Once you click the link, that link will direct you create your join your classes over here. Yes, for example, as a teacher, if you want to create a class over here, I just click here for the plus button to create a class from my mobile phone. Just click here to create a class. It will ask you for the university or students or class rooms, everything will be there. So just read the instruction carefully and just click here to continue. So you can give the class name. For example, I just want to give my class name as a graphic, and the section will be there. I can give whatever I want. If you want, you can give, otherwise you can leave this stage and just click here for the create option. Once you click here for the create option, automatically the class will be created over here as you see here. So the class will be creating from my mobile itself. Yes, so the classes were created. What I given is a graphics will be there. So you can give the classworks and people's, everything will be there. So you can add the classwork, what are the assignment, quiz questions, materials you can add for your class students. For example, I want to check this classroom codes, everything. So on top you will find a settings option as you see here. Just click the settings option. You will find a invite link for the things as I said, so you can share with your students, and you will find a class code which I shared, the 6-digit and 7-digit number. You can select and you can send this code, as well as you can send this link. The students can able to join your class, and streaming position will be the students can be comment on. You can able to give the comments for the students as well, and the classroom streams also will be available. You can conduct the Google Meet as well as from your Google Classroom. So simple and easiest way. You can edit the settings also, so that you can able to get the people over here. So you can invite the people from that things. So if you want to invite the teachers, you can invite the teachers, give your teacher's email ID, as well as you can invite the students, or you can copy the link and you can invite the students. So students enters means automatically they will find the class works as well as the streams option. So simple and easiest way to create your Google Classroom or join the classroom from your mobile phone itself. You can have access with that. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends. If you have any doubts, you can give a comment section, leave the comments, so that I can able to understand, I can able to clear your doubts. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.